UAE is fast becoming a very attractive place for the crypto exchanges. Just recently, Gemini, which is a global cryptocurrency exchange, has announced its plans to acquire a cryptocurrency license in the United Arab Emirates in a move to expand its services. Describing the UAE's position as a forward thinking financial hub, Gemini aims to tap into country's growing market. The company is committed to becoming a global entity, according to the announcement which I just read on their website. Now, if you look at it, the thing which seems to me is that there is a uniform pattern among different cryptocurrency exchanges. Because as you might know that recently at the beginning of May, Coinbase introduced its new international exchange arm called as Coinbase International, with the company stating that the countries around the world are increasingly moving forward with responsible crypto forward regulatory frameworks to strategically position themselves as crypto hubs. And as UAE has already placed itself as a crypto hub of future, so more and more exchanges, more and more crypto startups are opening their offices and arms in UAE. Gemini's decisions to apply for a license comes as a result of its finding from 2022 Global State of Crypto report. The report revealed a significant increase in cryptocurrency adoption among individuals in the UAE, with many using it for in-person purchases. Additionally, the study indicated a strong intention among non-owners to enter the cryptocurrency space. So I think more and more crypto exchanges will converge into UAE with the vision of providing safe, secure, and user-friendly platform for customers in UAE and also the surrounding countries like Iran, Pakistan, India, Afghanistan. So I think crypto's future is quite bright in that part of the world. Thanks for listening.